Hi guys, what's up? It's Karate Mask. I made this video for people who are just starting karate or have a goal to get a black belt. I'm glad to choose karate out of the martial arts out there. Today, I'm going to begin the continuation of step basics. Last time, I focused on getting used to a vertical movement of steps. If you haven't seen yet, I suggest you watch the previous video first. This time, let's focus on the horizontal movements. Please watch this first. If you have never seen before, don't be disgusted. As in the previous video, you will use this movement in important situations, both in attack and defense. I explain slowly one by one, so be sure to watch this video many times to learn it and make it your own. Let's watch the video and explain together. How was it? Beginners are very often too conscious of tsuki and their bodies are floating. First of all, let's build up the base of your lower body. It may seem a little pain and uninteresting, but the basics are important in any sport. If you are watching this video, you probably have a strong passion to improve your karate. Let's work hard together. I always say this, but it's normal to not be able to do any sports at first. Let your body slowly get accustomed to the karate movements. Then your brain and body will input the movements, and gradually you will be able to move your body without being conscious of it, even if you can't do it well today. Watch this video repeatedly and practice. Your body will gradually become accustomed to the movement, and you will be able to move smoothly. The important thing is to keep practicing, even if it's once a week. Enjoy karate according to your lifestyle. And if you like this video, please register. It will encourage me. See you again in the next video. I'm supporting you to get your black belt.